Okay, we tried that thing with the stripping disc. Now let's see what happens. Now I got the guard back on. If everyone will notice, please. I have that grinding disc on. And I'm going to see exactly how this thing handles sharpening mower blades. Get the mower jacked up in the air. Yeah, I like this idea. If you've ever had to pull a deck out, even though John Deere, it's so darn easy to pull the decks out. I'm an old fart and I don't like to struggle that much dragging it in and out of there. So I'll just jack it up with the tractor and some chain, and then I'll reach right underneath and I'll get the blade sharpened up. Alright, I'll tell you how easy it was or not. Just a few minutes. Well, let me see if I can place this so you can see it while I work. Let's see. It looks as though if I get underneath the tractor here and set it down, there, it looks as though you might be able to see the underside of the deck and see how it handles that. Okay, we're about ready here. I need to have some glasses on. And I'm going to reach right under here. Let's see if I can grind this edge smooth. Well, first off, I can see it is not going to work with the handle on it. It's not going to be very easy to do. There's just not enough clearance for that handle. Fortunately, it does have that guard on it. Let's see. Oh, these blades is rounded out terrible. I'm just going to go ahead and try and straighten it up. Oh, that's much better right there. Well, I'm going to tell you something. This is not something you want to try and do every day. This is good for an emergency hit on them to try and get them to sharpen up some. But I would definitely not do this as a norm or something normal to do. This is not regular maintenance. These things should be taken off, sharpened up properly, and then balanced and put back in with the right torque. But it does have a little play in the bearings too. Alright. Anyhow, hey, it works. Looks as though it's going to work good. So, let's see if I can get these here. Oh, my goodness, is that ever loose? No brake on that one, huh? Oh my. Alright, well gang, I think I just discovered this whole thing needs to be replaced. Put in some new spindles, new blades, and probably some pulleys on it. But it's going to have to be after I cut the grass one more time, if I can. That's not good at all. Yeah, that's not good at all. I don't know what is up with this. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I do. Oh yeah, yeah. Engage them instead of letting them spin free. All right, here I go again. Sharpen, sharpen. I'll get that side a little bit. Right out of reach. Ain't it the way, gang? Ain't it the way? And get this little edge. That's sharp enough to use. Okay, you, come on out from underneath that tractor. Whoa, hang on, hang on. Got a little dizzy there? Okay, well, I'm glad you're all right now. Anyhow, that did work kind of well. I like it. And not used to that safety button in the back. Usually it's just a little flip lever or something in a grab handle. But that is a nice little feature. Keep you from accidentally setting it off by bumping the trigger when you set it down. Works good. Hey, this thing's powerful too. And we'll see how she holds up, but right now I'm happy with it. Alright, that's the end of my video this time. Aside from me having to mow the grass, I got a few other chores I gotta get done today, so I'll catch you a little later. Tally ho.